Dear Mr. Zhong, this is your order plastic zipper color fixing machine, and this is for color and POM material fixing. Okay. This is for the nameplate. This is the order number, also for 380 wattage. And this one, for this one is for start, and this is off. Here is for the time setting. The volume. Like this one, when the right arrow we pressing to the number, that means the timing. Like this, if we point to the red arrow to point to the number 5 number, that means the color fixing time, working time is only 5 minutes. Okay, now we want to test it for you and set up 1 minute. And press this one. Okay, and inside the working direction is this one, is the cross wire. Because this one, there's one safety guiding sensor here. That means if we open this cover, the machine will stop. Just now, I just set up the time is 1 minute. So after working for 1 minute, the machine stop automatically. Okay. Let me try it for you. Number 5. And we want to test it when we open the cover, the machine will stop. Okay. Okay, now I want to try to open the cover, the machine will stop. Okay. I just ask our technician to open it. Okay, the machine has stopped. So this one is for safety guide. Okay. Okay. The machine started again. It's very easy to operate. Thank you.